Hello everyone, welcome to the UPSC Freaks channel. Today we will be discussing a very important geographical phenomenon called inversion of temperature. This is a very important topic with respect to UPSC civil services and defense exam. So if you haven't subscribed this channel, please do it right now. Starting with, in this topic, we will be seeing what is inversion of temperature and why it is important. So, starting with, we will be seeing an important concept which will be used throughout this video. The solar radiation heats the Earth's surface and atmosphere unevenly. This undifference or indifference in the temperature leads to the movement of air which is called the wind. Always the wind moves from the hotter surface to the cooler surface. Now, on a normal day or a normal conditions, the land is more heated up than the atmosphere. So, the air near the lands gets heated up and expand, thus becoming lighter in the weight and start moving up in the atmosphere. On reaching up in the atmosphere, these winds cool down and forms the cloud due to the process of condensation. So, temperature decreases with the increase in altitude or elevation. It is called normal lapse rate. But long winter nights and clear skies and still air reverses this normal lapse rate. The heat of the day is radiated off during the long nights, and by the early morning hours, the earth is cooler than the air above it. Due to this, now the air start moving from the atmosphere or the lower layer of the atmosphere towards the earth, and on touching the ground or the earth which is cooler, it condenses and forms fog, and sometimes if precipitation occurs they form dew. So, why surface inversion is very important? As we have seen that due to surface inversion, the air does not leave the lower layer of the atmosphere, but it keeps on circulating in the lower strata by this phenomenon. So, it is very important for keeping the balance of air in the lower layer of the atmosphere. The inversion of air takes place in hills and mountains due to air drainage. Cold air at the night in hills and mountain flows under the influence of the gravity. Being and heavy and dense, the cold air acts almost like water and moves down the slope to pile up in the deep pockets and the valleys with the warm air above it. This is called air drainage. It protects the plant from the frost damages, and it is a very important phenomena. So that's it for today's class. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe the UPSC Freaks. Thank you.